Good morning students. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Engineering Mathematics with competitive exam PGT, TGT and 12th class UP, CBSE and ICSE board. We are taught in previous video how to solve the partial differential equation in form of Lagrange. And some important question we discussed in previous videos, method of multipliers and some most important questions for the exam purpose. In this video we taught the partial differential equation with constant coefficient, how to solve in form of this. We discussed the homogeneous partial differential equation. Previous we explained what is the homogeneous partial differential equation. After then we discussed the process of solving these equations. If you new viewer my YouTube channel, so please request you subscribe my channel, shares and likes. So let me start in this video. Linear homogeneous partial differential equations. Main topic is linear homogeneous partial differential equation with the constant coefficient. First we discuss what is the linear homogeneous partial differential equation. Definition: any equation in the types of you see that in board a naught del to the power and del z over del x, a1 del to the power and del z on del x to the power n minus 1 del y and so on, del to the power n del z or del y to the power n equal to fxy. You see that partial derivative of z in nth order, same process, and a1 partial derivative of z with respect to x and y in nth order in the form of this is called the homogeneous partial differential equation of the nth order. You can see that z is differentiate in n times, so we can say that the homogeneous of partial differential equation of nth order with the constant coefficients, it is called the homogeneous. Why are you called this partial differential equation is homogeneous? Reason: it is called the homogeneous because all the terms contain the derivative of same order. You can see that in differential equations all terms are contain the same order. Same order, it means this order is nth derivative of z with respect to s. After then a second term nth derivative of x and y. Here x is n minus 1 times but y is next term. So complete order of the differential equation is n and n. So we can say that the given differential equation, partial differential equation is a homogeneous partial differential equations. Putting some notation in the form of del over del x, it means partial derivative of with respect to x, we put the differential equation in capital D, and partial derivative of y, we put the differential equation in d dash. Again similarly second order del 2 over del x2 in d square, del 2 over del y2 in d dash square and so on. First we take the partial differential equation and first step we change the partial differential equation in operator form. After then you find the CF and PI. The complete solution of the partial differential equation is CF and PI. The rules for finding the CF: complementary function. You know in previous units normal differential equation, complete solution of the, what is the complete solution of the normal differential equation? We discussed in previous video. So I again request you see my previous video, the complete solution of the normal partial differential equation. Here rules for finding the complementary function CF. Consider the partial differential equation in second order with the constant coefficient a naught del 2z over del x2 plus a1 del 2z over del x and del y plus a1 del 2z over del y2. Here a naught, a1, a2 is the constant coefficients. So we write this partial differential equation first with the operator form. It means form of d and d dash. So a naught is d square plus a1 dd dash and a2 d dash square. You can see that here if the differentiation of z with respect to y, we write the place of del over del y in d dash, and the differentiation of z with respect to x, then put the place of del over del x is d. The operator form of this, the partial differential equation of second order. After then you get the operator form, then you get the auxiliary equations. So put d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. The operator form, in the place of d is put is m and d dash equal to 1. You get the auxiliary equations a naught m square plus a1 m plus a2 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in the form of m. We are normally factorize of this equations. So step second, the auxiliary equations, the roots of the m1 m2 are real and different. You can see that the roots of m1 and m2 is real and different. Then CF equal to f1 by plus m1x plus c2 plus f2 by plus m2x. This is the process of solving the partial differential equation with constant coefficient of homogeneous. And next similar process, you can see that here the quadratic equation roots we find m1 and m2. If roots are real and same, roots are real and same, we can say that m1 equal to m2. After then you write the CF in the form of CF equal to f1 y plus m1x plus x multiply of x in second term, then f2 y plus m2 of x. If the roots are the real and same, then m1 equal to m2. You write the complementary function in the form of this CF equal to f1 y plus m1x plus x, f2 y plus m2 x. Similar process, if roots are real, m1, m2 and of m3 are equal, it means m1 equal to m2 equal to m of 3. Then CF f1 y plus m1x plus x multiply by x, f2 y plus m2x plus x square again multiply as the three roots are here m1, m2 and m3. These are the same. Then rules for write the CF f1 m y plus m1x, second term multiply by x and third term again multiply by x, then value of this x square f3 y plus m3 and x. This process is again to again and so on. Understand all the student and easily. This is the very important topic for your exam. So please make a note. We have discussed some important examples, questions depend of this formula. Question number first, dq minus 4d square and d dash Question number first, dq and d 4d square d dash plus 3d and d dash square in z. How to solve this partial differential equation? You can say first we check the order of the partial differential equation. You can see that dq, it means this is the third derivative term, and second term d square and d dash. D square is 2 and 1. It is also third derivative term, and this is the d and d dash square also derivative term. It is the given in the form of already operator. So we can write the auxiliary equation. Solution: put d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. Put d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. So m cube minus का 4m square plus 3 of m equal to 0. आप कर देने take the common of m square minus का 4m plus 3 equal to 0. We factorize. This is the quadratic equation. m square minus 3m minus m plus 3 equal to 0. m common m minus 3 minus 1 m minus of 3 equal to 0. Then m minus 1 m minus 3 equal to 0. Then m equal to 0, 1 and 3. These are the value of real and different. These are the value of real and different. Then CF, it means Z equal to CF equal to F1 y plus M1x. Value of M1 it means 0 into x plus F2 y plus 1 into x plus F3 y plus 3 of x of this. Then Z equal to F1 y plus F2 y plus x plus F3 y plus 3 of x. This is the complete solution of this partial differential equation, because you are see the RHS of the partial differential equation equal to 0. So we only find this partial differential equation only the CF, or CF is the complete solution of the partial differential equation. You are understand the easily. Please make a note. Theory. We are discuss how to write the partial differential equation in form of z equal to f1 y plus m1x plus f2 y plus m2 of x. How to form of this the CF of the partial differential equations. We discuss theory of this matter. If d minus का m1 d dash into d minus का m2 d dash or z equal to 0. We are discuss the operator form partial differential equation. In form of this, we are getting the two factors d minus m1 d dash and d minus m2 d dash z equal to 0. We take the first factor. If case first d minus m1 d dash into z equal to 0, write in this form d, it means p minus का m1 d q equal to 0, because you have del z over del x equal to p and del z over del y equal to q. It means d is the partial derivative with respect to x and d dash is the partial derivative with respect to y. So write the form of this p minus का m1 q equal to 0. This is the Lagrange partial differential equation. So Lagrange partial differential equation, how to solve in this form? We are discussed my previous video. So I again please request you you see my the previous video. The complete solution of the partial differential equation. The auxiliary equation of this dx over 1 dz over minus m by m1 equal to dz over dy over m1 equal to dz equal to this. We take the first and second term dx upon 1 equal to 1 upon minus m1 and dy. Cross multiply minus का m1 dx equal to of dy. On integrating both sides minus का m1x equal to y plus of c1. Take the y in this form. m1x minus y equal to c1. Taking the common of minus, then value of c1 equal to y plus m1 of x. Again you take the value of this second and third. Then dy over minus m equal to dz over 0. Cross multiply, then dz equal to 0. On integrating, z equal to of c2. Then complete solution of this, write in the form of z equal to f1 or y plus m1 of x. Similar process of this method. And second factor is d minus का m2 d dash in z equal to 0. Write this form in the Lagrange partial differential equations. Then p minus का m2 q equal to 0. This is the again in form of the Lagrange partial differential equation though. So auxiliary equation dx over 1 dy over minus का m2 and dz over 0 again. Taking first and second term, then dx over 1 equal to dy over minus का m2 cross multiply minus m2 dx equal to dy on integrating, then minus m2 x minus y equal to c1. This is the common, the minus m2x plus y equal to c1. And taking you are the second and third, so dy over minus का m2 equal to dz over 0 cross multiply dz equal to 0 on integrating, that is z equal to of c. Then complete solution of the differential equation, that matter of this, then z equal to f2 y plus m2 of x. Here one value z of this and second value z of this. Then the complete solution we write in the form of this. Then z equal to f1 by plus m1x plus f2 by plus m2x. This is the form of the complementary function. We are discussed in previous questions. Write the CF of this form in the form of this. Here how to find the form of this. So we are discussed find the form of the CF in this method. Understand easily all the students. If you any problem you are inform me my comment box, then I sort out your problem in shortly. Please make a note. We are discussing some examples of the partial differential equations. Next question, del 2z del x2 minus 4 del 2z over del x del y plus 4 del 2z del y2 equal to of 0. First we write this partial differential equation in operator form. In operator form. Operator form, it means differentiation of z with respect to x in second order. So we write d square minus 4 differentiation of z with respect on first time x and second y. So d and d dash plus 4 d dash square in z equal to 0. Similar process in previous question, d equal to m and d dash equal to 1, then auxiliary equations. Value of m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. You will get the second order equations. So quadratic factorize of these questions, m minus 2 का whole square equal to 0. That is m equal to 2, 2. Roots are real and equal. We write in the form of this. Then z equal to cf equal to f1 by plus 2x plus next term is multiply by x, then x f2 by plus of 2x. The complete solution of this equation of this method. Please make a note. Now we are discuss how to find the PI. PI type first. How to find the similar process of the differential equation with the partial differential equations. 6 types of the PI. Here you are also know the 6 types of PI. Discuss the partial differential equation. Type first. If the PDE in form of if the PDE in form of f, d and d dash e to the power ax plus by. F, d and d dash, this is the operator form and this is the RHS of the partial differential equation in form of e to the power ax plus by. Then pi e to the power ax plus by divided by f, d and d dash. Write the x coefficient of a in place of d and y coefficient of b in place of d dash. So e to the power ax plus by f a comma b. If f a comma b does not equal to 0, then the above solution of PDE is PI. PDE is PI. If putting the value of x coefficient a in place of d and y coefficient of b in place of d dash, after that you see that the f a comma b does not equal to 0. If f a comma b does not equal to 0, then the solution of this PI of the partial differential equation. If you see that only 1%, if condition in this be possible, f a comma b equal to 0. F a comma b equal to 0. If value of this 0 divided by any term, we get the answer in infinite form. So we are not defined of this form. So f a comma b equal to 0. Rule is failed. Rule is failed. After that, you go in operator form. You go in operator form. Multiply denominator by x. Multiply denominator by x. It means x e to the power ax plus by. After then, differentiate of this denominator. Multiply by numerator in x. After then you differentiate of denominator with respect to d. So f d comma of d dash. Again process apply in previous method. In place of d you put the value of x coefficient. In place of d dash you put the value of y coefficient. So x e to the power ax plus by and f dash a comma b. Again similar process, f a comma b does not equal to 0. Then value of this is the answer of pi. And same process, if f dash a comma b equal to 0, again 0, then rule shall fail. Similar process we apply, again multiply by x, after then differentiate of denominator with respect to d. The process is repeat and repeat and repeat in this method. You see the easily of this method. In the sum, questions depend upon this method. Question of this, del 2z del x2 minus del 2z del y2 equal to e to the power x plus 2y. Question of this, del 2z over del x2 minus del 2z over del y2 e to the power x plus 2y. First we write in this differential equation an operator for d square and d dash square z equal to e to the power x plus 2y. After then d equal to m and auxiliary equation, then m square minus 1 equal to 0, m square equal to 1, m equal to plus minus of 1. Then CF is f1 by plus x and f2 by minus of x. After that pi, RHS value of this, e to the power x plus 2y or divided by d square minus d dash square. In operator form, you can see coefficient of x is 1, coefficient y is 2. In place of this, e to the power x plus 2y upon 1 square minus 2 square, e to the power x plus 2y upon 1 minus 4, that is the e to the power x plus 2y upon minus of 3. Denominator will not be 0, should be not 0. So answer of this, the pi of this differential equation is exact correct. So complete solution z equal to cf plus pi. It means cf of this partial differential equation f1 y plus x, f2 y minus x or minus e to the power x plus 2y upon of 3. So you understand the easily very simple questions of the partial differential equation. Please make a note. Next question, del 2z del x2 minus 4 del 2z del x del y plus 4 del 2z or del y2 equal to e to the power e to the power 2x plus y, 2x plus of y. Write this form in operator d square minus 4d and d dash plus 4d dash square in z equal to e to the power 2x plus of y. Write d equal to m and auxiliary equation m square minus का 4m plus 4 equal to 0. This is the m minus 2 the whole square equal to 0, m equal to 2 comma 2. Then CF equal to F1 y plus 2x plus multiply of x F2 y plus of 2x and pi e to the power 2x plus of y upon d square minus 4d and d dash plus 4 d dash square. Putting the value of x coefficient 2 in place of d and y coefficient 1 in place of d dash. E to the power 2x plus y upon place of x coefficient 2, this is the 4 minus value of this 8 plus 4 d dash square, means 4 into 1, that is the e to the power 2x plus y upon 4 plus 4 8 minus 8, that is 0. Rules is filled. Rules is filled. You go in this step. Again, in this step, we are discussed in previous matter, multiply by the numerator in x e to the power 2x plus of y. After then differentiate of this function with respect to d, or d dash is treat as a constant. Then 2d minus differentiation of this d dash, 4d dash, this is value will be 0 because d dash is a constant. So again same procedure, e to the power 2x plus y, putting the value of x coefficient 2 in place of d, 2 into 2 minus 4 into 1, e to the power 2x plus y, again 0. Again 0, so we again multiply of this x, then x square e to the power 2x plus y of this 2 d1, this is the 0, x square e to the power 2x plus y upon of 2. Then complete solution, z equal to cf plus of pi. Cf value of f1 y plus 2x plus x, f2 y plus 2x plus x square e to the power 2x plus y upon 2. Understand easily, please make a note. That's all in this video. The next method of the PI we are discussing in next video. So please, I am again request you subscribe to my channel, share your friends. My channel is devoted for whose student are not afford the fees of the coaching. So you are join my channel and benefit of this subject. Thanks for watching the complete video.